So in this video we are going to work on the lining of the Ankara bag. So I'll measure from here to here and from here to here. So make sure you measure your bag. I don't need to tell you the measurements because mine might be different from yours. So whatever you get is what you use to cut your lining. But this the inner pocket is 12.5 by 12.5 inches. So I folded it into two and I'm going to sew it and turn it out. I will leave a space at the bottom side that will help me turn it out. So this is the space I've turned it out. So the next thing is to top stitch. The space I left to turn it out with, I'm going to sew it. But since I'm going to top stitch, I just want to start from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to top stitch everything round just to make it relax. This is a waterproof lining. Is actually stressful using a waterproof lining for bags. So if you know you can't take the stress, please go for your normal cotton lining. So I'm going to sew it around like so to the end. After folding it, it gave me 12.5 inches by 6 inches. Previously, before folding it, it was 12.5 by 12.5. So after folding it, it gave me 12.5 by 6 inches. So I'm just going to place it on the lining right away. So from the upper part, I took a measurement of 4 inches. From up down, I took a measurement of 4 inches. I wanted to use 3 inches, but I realized that it's too high, so I changed it to 4 inches. So make sure you are leaving equal measurements of space on both ends of the front pocket. So I've fixed it. So I just want to divide it into two. How do you do that? You just sew the middle down. Take your measurement, get the midpoint, so you just sew the middle down, and that's it. So you have two pockets there inside the bag. So as you know, this is the lining and it's going to be right inside the bag. So the next thing now is to fix our lining on our main panel. If you check the main panel, you see all my sewing show inside the foam. So by the time I fix my lining, nobody will see the sewing, the handle and everything. The way I fix them, they are showing on the foam. So this lining is going to help us to cover up everything to make it look more professional. So I'm just going to place the right side of the lining. I told you I'm using the black side as the right side. I'm going to place the right side of the lining on the right side of the fabric, and so I've done that. So in this place now, the bottom of the lining, after folding it to two equal parts, you could actually do this before sewing. It will be easier for you to do this before sewing. So you cut 2 inches by 2 inches and cut it out. You do the same thing to the other side, the other end, the bottom of the lining. Just the same thing we have on the bag, it must be the same on the lining as well, to bring out our beautiful shape, the beautiful shape for our bag. So you see what I cut out. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side too.